Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a light bulb on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and has cooled down to prevent any burns. It is also important to gather your tools, including the correct replacement bulb, and wear protective gloves to keep the new bulb grease-free. Now let's get started. First, open your car's bonnet and identify the light unit where the bulb needs changing. You will then need to carefully remove the protective rubber or plastic cover located at the back of the headlight assembly. After that, gently disconnect the electrical connector by pulling it straight off the back of the bulb. With the connector off, you'll find a metal retaining clip or spring. Carefully unclip this to release the old bulb. Gently pull the old bulb straight out, paying attention to how it was oriented. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the housing, making sure the small lug points downwards. Finally, re-engage the metal clip to secure the bulb. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Then, securely replace the protective rubber or plastic cover over the light unit. Before closing the bonnet, turn on your car's lights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. Double-check that all covers are properly sealed to protect against moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.